Welcome back to our series on English phrasal verbs, where we're practicing using the most common phrasal verbs. To make it fun and interesting, we're using your favourite TV shows. Can you remember what a phrasal verb is? It's a verb that comes with another word, a preposition, that modifies its meaning. Today we'll look at the verb to go. A few phrasal verbs have the root to go, and today we're going to look at two of the most common ones. I want you to watch this TV clip from the TV series The Office. In this scene, Ryan asks Pam if she wants to go for dinner with him, under the pretense of a work-related matter. Pay attention to the sentence Ryan says.
Plays on the infinity thing without being obvious,
Yeah,
you know?
definitely.
I'd love to do like a color version, just bring a little color to
I like
the
it a
logo.
lot. It's clear and subtle at the same time. It's really good. You have a real talent for this stuff.
Thanks.
I'd love to talk to you about it more.
That'd be great.
Do you want to go to dinner tonight?
The word that has been cut is the one that changes the meaning of the verb to go. Did you understand the word that was cut? If you didn't, don't worry. I'm going to let you watch the video again, and this time I'm going to give you two choices. With these, the verb to go can either mean to go somewhere or to check something. Go ahead and try to pick the right word based on the context.
Plays on the infinity thing without being obvious,
Yeah,
you know?
definitely.
I'd love to do like a color version, just bring a little color
I
to
like
the
it a
logo.
lot. It's clear and subtle at the same time. It's really good. You have a real talent for this stuff.
Thanks.
I'd love to talk to you about it more.
That'd be great.
Do you want to go to dinner tonight? Do you want to go out to dinner tonight?
Did you get it right this time? So, let me explain why out is the right answer. When you add the word out to the verb to go, it no longer means to simply leave. It means to leave somewhere and go somewhere else. For example, let's go out tonight, or let's go out to dinner. To go over means to check something. For example, let's go over the presentation one more time. Can you see the difference? We have other common phrasal verbs with the verb to go, like to go down or to go under. You can find them all in the Mosalingua app, along with the best tips about how to learn them the easy way, and lots of other helpful vocabulary and language learning advice. Soon you'll be using these phrasal verbs like a native speaker. Just check the links below and on the screen to download the app for free.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.